Hello everyone, my name is Fahim Kovit. Today I'll be talking about different types of data and a specific example of data, example of a business where we use this type of data. So as we know, data is the new oil, and today data is everywhere in every field, whether you are a data scientist, marketer, or business analyst, or data analysis researcher, or any other profession. You need to play an experiment with raw or structured data. This data is so important that it's important for us that it becomes important to handle and store it properly without any errors. While working on this data, it is important to know the types of data process and the data process them and get the right result. There are two types of data: qualitative data and quantitative data. Today I'll be talking about only qualitative data, quantitative data. Why, I'll explain it later. But there are further four classified depending on the two types of data, qualitative and quantitative. And the four types are nominal data, ordinal data, discrete data, and continuous data. Nominal data. What is nominal data? Nominal data are used to label variables without any order or quantitative value. The color of the hair can be considered as nominal data, as one color cannot be compared with another data. Ordinal data have natural ordering, where a number is present in some kind of order by their position or the scale. These data are used for observation like customer satisfaction, happiness, etc., but we cannot do any arithmetical task on them. For example, companies ask for feedback, experience, or satisfaction on a scale of 1 to 10. This is ordinal data. What is quantitative data? Quantitative data can be expressed in numerical values, making it countable and including statistical data analysis. This kind of data are also known as numerical data. It answers the questions like how much, how many, and how often. For example, the price of a phone, the computer RAM, the height and weight of a person, false, etc. Quantitative data have two parts: discrete data and continuous data. Discrete data, the term discrete means distinct or separate. The discrete data contains the value that fall under integer or whole number. The total number of students in a class is an example of discrete data. This data cannot be broken into decimal or fractional value. Continuous data are in form of fractional number. It can be the version of an Android phone, it can be the version of an Android phone, the height of a person, the length of an object. Continuous data represent information that can be divided into similar levels. The continuous variable can take any value within a range. So why we are talking about quantitative data, not quantitative data, because I'll be talking about a firm, an accounting firm or account consultancy firm, which we use the quantitative data. We there process the information we are given on the basis of accounts, and we analyze the data, and the data are in numbers, and we have to store the data we have to store the data according to the numbers. And if we look for any results or analyze the data analysis shows us in a continuous data process which have fractions or whole number or integer number. So continuous data, in an accounting consultancy firm, we basically use the continuous data type, which provides us the actual information the data is providing us. So thank you everyone for listening to me. Hope